First Jerry Tobias done.
And Jerry, you are done. That was close because it got down to 2 seconds. It was Jerry, David, and then Ben.
Where's my switch?
Up next, Stadium Truck. We got Ryan, Mark, Mike, and Brian. Then we got Jerry, David, and Ben are our marshals. And if I can get one more marshal to volunteer, I think we can cover it. You need the helper? All right.
You got one? Batteries in my bucket here.
I should stop the ones that are plugged in now.
Well, you should see. It should be about finished or finished. All right, let's see how this. What amp is it, Teresa? On the charger, what amp is it charging at? Yeah. It's
You
done.
can go ahead and drive your cars across.
It's a truck.
Brian WOH Brian Camper.
Yeah, your buggy looks like it'd be awesome if you got some steering out of it.
That rear motor, well, yeah, that was very easy to drive. I lost traction and flipped over. They got floaties. Thank you. I'm going from right off the 2-1.
Did Mike go across?
Yep. You tried.
You tried?
Upside down. Yeah.
Let's try again.
Get an ivory system. Hey Jerry. 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 I'm gonna press that. Thank you. Just leave him there. Thank you.
Please.
I got you that thing.
One left.
Okay, this is the stadium truck. David, you covering that in?
What happened?
Okay, thank you.
Something broke in the steering.
Okay, we got our marshals, we got our racers in less than 5.
Ryan's out.
Ryan's out or
Yeah.
Brian's out?
Ryan, he broke.
Gamber?
Yeah.
Okay.
Not gambler.
Okay, in less than 5.
3, 4, 5.
Ryan, if you get fixed, you can drop any time during the race and still be in it.
Second.
Oh, no break.
Third.
Okay, we got Mark Baldwin coming in first place with 31.7. Oh! We lost Brian.
Second. Second.
Thank you.
Third.
Mark Baldwin taking over first place from Mike Louie by 0.3 seconds. Mark Baldwin with a 10-5-24, 10-5-25 for Michael Louie.
Second.
Brian with a 9-5-11.
First. Second.
Mike Louie coming across with his fast lap of 32.000. Brian takes a tumble on the rhythm section.
First.
There's Mark Baldwin in first place, solidly 4-second lead.
Second.
6-second lead over Mike Louie. 2 minutes left.
Third.
Brian only 13 seconds out of first place with 1 minute 45 seconds left.
First.
Mark with another fast lap of 31.4 on his
Second.
5th lap.
Third.
Got it.
Oh,
I
we
got
got
it.
Brian upside
Thanks,
down
Jerry.
in the rhythm. Caution in the rhythm section.
First.
Up next is the E-Buggy in 1 minute. You ready? Have your E-Buggies ready to lay down?
Second.
Oh, Mark Baldwin just comes across with his fast lap of 30.6.
First.
Final 30 seconds to the tone. Up next, E-Buggy.
Second. Second.
Brian's getting better.
5 seconds to the tone.
First.
Keep rolling, keep rolling.
Except when you do that. I've had my bobbles too.
Second to be done.
Mike Louie, you're done. Brian, you're done. Mike Louie, you beat Brian by 0.1